Okay, so we have Percy missing the rubber tires. This part I don't think I'm gonna find it, and it needs some repair. I'm not gonna clean that. I'm just gonna replace it. Something's going on in there. First triangle shape screwdriver. Yeah, definitely need to replace those that part. So if you're new to the channel, we used to fix and repair these models. I stopped it for a couple of months, and then on and off and on and off. We're back here, and the last time I took a little break, about 21 days, no fix and repair. But anyways, let's see if we can continue posting videos on fix and repair. I have hundreds and hundreds of toys. I already mentioned that before. For those new to the channel, I'm just gonna fix and repair. I'm not gonna restore completely. Maybe some touch up here and there, and yeah, you know, focus on fix and repair. The motor looks clean and it's not making any loud noises, so it's good. The only thing we gotta focus is on this. So if you are a kid, do not try this at home. I do not recommend it. You need to do this under adult supervision. So got that rivet part out. I don't think it's let me see, I'm struggling here. It's been a long time since I fixed and repair. Maybe it needed a little clean, but no, I'm going to put a spring battery terminal. The one like this, battery terminals. There's a lot of dirt in here. I have to take that out. I don't like it. It might look really bad later. So in order to make this video, I make a little mark in the center so I can guide my drill bit. Good. Alright, now we proceed with the battery terminal. I hope I can align it at the first try. And the rivet, yeah, it worked. Worked good. Riveting tool. For those who ask what this tool is, riveting tool. There. We have the battery terminal ready. Now the speaker wire, you cannot find it here. If you find it, you're lucky. Actually, I got it from China. It is the only place I ordered it long time ago, and I don't remember. This company disappeared already. These wires are a little bit over the size of the original model. See, there is not that much of the difference. But I remember the Trackmaster, Gordon, James, Henry, they have a wider wire, thicker wire, pretty close to this one. Now, I hope this is not so boring, but if you already know how to do this, you can skip it. And how can I do this? Go to another video. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the entire process. See, this part here also needs to pre-solder. Good. Now the turn for the motor. Good. Back to the chassis. Let me see. Kind of tricky. There you go. Good. Continue with this wire through the motor here. I mean, to the chassis. Now the tricky part is going to be to solder these. Maybe it's not so tricky. I don't want to burn the chassis, you know. It happens. People used to burn the chassis. Okay, that is good. All right, now time to turn off the fume extractor. I'm gonna do a quick test. I know I need the rubber tires quick test. Yeah, I see it move. Yeah, working perfect. Cleaning, assemble, good. Brand new rubber tires. See, one of the easiest way to remove these side rods is using a fork. You don't need a special tools, you know. And I used to have a special tools for that. Now there is the Mattel. I do not recommend you to remove the Mattel side rods. They are a pain, you know. I don't recommend you because they broke. You know, the pin that holds the side rod breaks. Now this is Hit Toy Company. It's a big difference. Hit Toy Company and Tomy are the good ones, so you can replace very easily. So in order to you know, polish these screws, I use a Dremel tool, and it looks much better. Okay, so far so good. We're almost done with this Percy. Percy number 6. Let's see. Yep, works good. Works and sounds good. Strong. Okay. See, I myself don't even know what I have. So previous videos we found these remote control Thomas. I have no idea if it works or no. I do have the remotes tested previous videos. If you didn't see it, go check my. Now there's one easy way to test if there's power going to the engine from the battery pack. Just pull this battery up and you're gonna see this light blinks. That means we have power. Okay, good. Now the next I'm going to do is I need more batteries for the remote. I have the remote here. So this one was tested before, and remember it made sounds. It doesn't matter if we have different batteries. Beat up. Well loved, Thomas, but anyways, okay, it's working. So we have traction. There's traction, it's running. That is good. Yep, working good. So check my eBay store. I'm gonna put this on eBay. I already told you guys if you want some. I actually need to make a little cleaning on this model. If you want to save, I can send you an invoice. Just gotta let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep posting on eBay. You know, eBay. You know, I just want to save you some bucks instead of paying like a 50. Sometimes you pay 34 bucks. So you save like a 15 bucks or something like that. But it's up to you. If not, I just continue posting on eBay, and it's faster for me, obviously. But we have one remote control Thomas. This is not the free paste. Remember the other one was a free paste. So I gotta do a deep cleaning. But in the meantime, we're gonna continue fixing, repair, or do something else. Now here's a weirdest combination. This is Mattel Thomas chassis. This is Plarail. I don't know where all the shells went, and even this is not for this model, but I think I'm going to. It doesn't fit there. It's not even for this, I think. Let me see. What is preventing from? Okay, it's the tab. So anyways, in order to you know, try to finish setup, I mean selling all these things, because I have so many Thomas toys, I am going to post. Yeah, that works good. I'm gonna post whatever it comes to my hands. Now this model looks clean. but there is a flaw. Something is wrong with this panel. Kind of a little noisy. Okay, need to change the bit. I'm going to use the cross bit. Let's see if this one fits. Okay, it's working. Yes, so I have like my plan is, because I have so many things, you know, I always say this. I mean, I have so many toys I need to sell, and I'm going to try to put them on eBay, everything, so I sell them. I no longer use them, I no longer need them, you know. They are just, is this for this? No, it's another bit. Yes, so check my eBay page. It always, the link is in the description. I will be posting so many toys. I'm gonna put a lot of toys on eBay, and I assume, let me see, I'm gonna check this one first. Sometimes this one breaks, but this is not the case. Sometimes it does have a crack, but this is the most common cog that you know, it makes the rattle noise. Yeah, this is the one. It's actually loose. You can get it with your fingers. I don't see the crack, but this is the problem. I think I have just a few. I have a bag of these cogs. I need to find them. You know, over the time I always store everything, and and I never look back. That's why I have so many Thomas toys. It was kind of hairy, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lube to some areas. All the codes should spread all the lube while it's working, you know. See how easy it was? Yeah, I hear, I mean, I read a few comments sometimes that you guys have struggled to put the motor back, the casing on this gearbox. See, I don't want to remove the screw, but I'll see if I can put it without losing this screw. Come on, you can make it. Oh, come on, you can make it. Almost there. Ah, it's not in there, but the plate is making contact, so it's working. Now there is one more thing. I need to figure out if this is cracked. Oh yeah, we have a problem right there. It's cracked, so we need to replace that one too. Now the problem with this material side rods, you cannot just pull them with a fork. If you try it, you're gonna break the head or the tab right there. So you, in order to do that, you need to push at the same time and pull. You know, I mean, I'm not gonna. It's gonna take me time, so maybe I'm gonna cut the video. Let me see. I'm gonna try it first. See if it. I can show you now. Yeah, here's how you do it. Because otherwise you're gonna break this side rod. I kept my secret for a long time, you know. I know sometimes people ask me, but I show you, you know, but sometimes I forgot to mention. See, this one worked. Now the problem with this one, I need to pull it with something else. All right, it took me a little bit of time to make it fit, but we got it done. There is a brand new cog. Okay, let's see if this works now. Now I have to lose the screw on this platform. Quick test. Yep, it's working. That's good, working. See, it's been a long time since the last time I made some, what am I doing? Repair videos. But I'm going to try to, you know, repair. some of these engines toys, you should not tighten too much, or it will force the engine to run slow. Okay, next the side rods. Okay, I need to tighten that screw, this one here. I did not remember that I loosened this, probably before, not now. Okay, the last thing I gotta do is quick test run. Yep, it's working. Some cleaning, and we are good to go. And this part goes here.